hope you all are doing great today. Today I'm finally going to show you how to make Sri Lankan curry powder. Now I will be doing this video is gonna be for the raw curry powder or the unroasted one, and I will also film another video today with the roasted curry powder. We use those two in various different recipes, and so I hope you will find it really helpful to follow along with the recipes that I will be doing in the future. So it's very easy. You just gather some ingredients and put it in a spice grinder and grind it until it's powder basically. Or if you don't have an electric spice grinder, you can use a pestle and mortar. It's just gonna take longer to do so because obviously it's manual and you have to do it. Now, before we move on, I really want to say that this recipe is the legacy of my Nana, who is an amazing cook, and she was one of my earliest inspirations to learn to cook. And she left us last year, and I'm so happy that I'm sorry, I don't want this to be emotional, but I love her so much, and I'm so happy that I am able to carry on her legacy and hopefully teach some of you, and also pass it on to my kids and so on. So anyway, sorry about that. Got choked up a little, but yeah, let's go through the ingredients. It's very easy, and grind it up, and I'll be able to show you the final product. Okay, now these are the ingredients that we need. I will provide all the links, not the links, I will provide the amounts of the ingredients down below so you can follow along. I have some fresh curry leaves. Now, if you don't have fresh curry leaves, you can use the dry ones, but the fresh ones taste better. Now you have to make sure these ones are really dry, because you will be storing the spice mix or the curry powder in your pantry, not in the fridge. So if there is any moisture, it will definitely be moldy later on. So what I did was, after I picked these from the tree, I put it into a dry pan that was probably on like high heat, and kept moving it until it looked pretty dry. So there's the curry leaves, and then you need some cumin and coriander seeds, and over here I have fenugreek seeds and a piece of cinnamon. So all these ingredients are pretty easy to find in your regular supermarket. If not, you can try an Indian grocer or a Sri Lankan grocery shop. If you do find a Sri Lankan grocery shop, just buy the pre-made, but I'm telling you, they're not gonna taste like this one, because this is pretty special. This is really good. You do want to make your own. What you're going to do is basically just dump everything into a grinder, and I will show you what to do. Okay, so I have my spice grinder. This is actually a coffee grinder. This is by Breville. And you can take the top off, which is really good. I really love this thing. I use it all the time. What you're literally just going to do is put all the ingredients into this. Now, just to be really precise, you can grind them separately, but it's such a small amount. I don't want to warm up the grinder too much, so I'm just going to do it together. Dump everything in, and I will just plug this in over there and grind it and show you what it looks like. Now it's looking good, but there are still some chunky pieces. Like I can still see a little bit of the curry leaves. So what I'm going to do is give it a stir, and grind it for about another 15 to 20 seconds. When this gets heated up, you have to stop because you don't want to heat through this because it's supposed to be a raw curry powder. So I'll just give it a stir and grind it again. So that's our Sri Lankan curry powder, and I hope you like it. It smells so wonderful. I will be doing a recipe today using this and many more to come. So if you are interested in learning Sri Lankan cooking, definitely make this, and I will also do a roasted version with the same exact ingredients. You just have to dry roast it and grind it the same way, and that's it. Hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with everybody that you know, so we can bring it to more people. Other than that, I will provide all the links down below, the recipe for this and all that fun stuff. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.